All right, I would like Khushpreet to step forward for our winner for Miss Bharat New York 2025. Yeah. All right, our winner for Miss International New York 2025 is Jessie. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Can I have Archana on stage, please, to crown our first runner-up for Miss Bharat New Jersey 2025 is Kritika. All right, for Miss Bharat New Jersey 2025, our winner is Samiksha. Woohoo! Congratulations, we are so proud of you. Woohoo! Thank you, girls. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, girls. You can exit the stage. Thank you. Congratulations. All right, for our Mr. Bharat Elite New York, our winner is Dr. Raj. Can we have Dr. Raj on stage, please? Amey, can you please go and do the honors, please? Dr. Raj on stage, please. Our queens, those who have done crowning can have a seat. I can have other queens. I would like to have them for the crowning. Dr. Sunita, please. Sushmita, are you here? Vinita, Akash. Can we have Dr. Akash on stage to crown our Mr. Bharat, New Jersey?
Giri Naidu.
Giriraj, can we have you on stage?
Giri, can we please have you on the stage? Congratulations.
Prakriti, can we have you on stage, please? Prakriti. And can we have our couple winner, Amin and Nisha Janani, on stage, please? And I would like Akash and Prakriti to crown our winner and put the sash on our Mr. Contestant. Here, please line up here, sir. Amin and Nisha. Amin and Nisha. All right, for Mr. and Mrs. please. That one, Mr. and Mrs. both. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah, give me both. Prakriti and Akash. Yeah. Please wait. Take the final walk. And Tulip, can you please join our couple because they are showcasing when men can stand for a woman and women can stand for a man, right? Proud of you. Thank you. All right. So final category for today is Mrs. and Mrs. Elite. Can you step forward on the stage, please?
What you waiting for? You only got one life. And we gon' live it up. So give me the green light. Cause I'm ready to go. Cause I'm ready to go. Give me the green light.
Let's do Mrs. International. Mrs. International. Mrs. International New York. आगे अंकिता New York. Mrs. International New York. All right, so Mrs. contestants are on stage, and it is not easy, guys, to take out time and be part of pageant. It really takes a lot of effort, planning everything, scheduling your day. Okay, so can I have Inga step forward? Angelina, are you here? Angelina, if you're here, I would like to have you on stage. Okay, so Konjit, can you step forward along with Tulip? Our Mrs. International New York goes to Inga. Moana, help me. Rounding में सिर्फ पकड़ाना अब आपको. उधर जाओ. यहाँ क्यों आ जाते हैं? Mrs. Garvey, New York.
Yeah, it's just now.
नहीं. Thank you, Konji. Mohana, come back. Thank you. And Tulip, please stay there. All right, for our Mrs. Kirby, New York goes to Shalini. And to do the honors, I would like Divya Frank. Thank you so much. Kirby, Mrs. Kirby, New York. पकड़ा के जाओ ना, ये इसको पकड़ा दे। Thank you so much. Thank you, Divya. Julie, please stay there. Thank you. Can I have Vinita on stage to do the honors for Mrs. Kirby, New Jersey? It goes to Ritika. Congratulations. Ritika, where are you? Ritika.
Can I be honest?
Congratulations. Thank you, Vinita. Can we have Mrs. Petit, New Jersey goes to Raki Shah. And to do the honors, can I have Suruchi on stage, please? Thank you.
You still make my heart beat fast Ferrari. With me in the wave, but in the morning. Do you still want me?
Thank you, Rocky. Thank you, Suruchi. Next goes to Mrs. Petit, New York, Srishti. And to do the honors, can I have Ash on stage, please?
Said our hustle's work is never through. We making it 'cause we making moves. The only thing we know how to do.
Congratulations!
Do work
Woohoo!
hard, play hard. We work hard, play hard. Keep partying like it's your job. Work hard, play hard. Play hard. We work hard, play hard. Keep partying like it's your job.
Thank you so much, Ash. Can we have Dr. Sunita on stage, please? And I would like her to crown Mrs. Classic New Jersey. It goes to Aparna. Woohoo!
'Cause we making moves. The only thing we know how to do. Said it's the only thing we know how to do. Work hard, play hard.
Sunita. Can we have Sindhuja on stage, please, to crown our Mrs. Elite New York runner-up, Shravani. Congratulations, Shravani. Srinidhi. Congratulations, Shravani. Angelina, can we have you on stage, please? I would like you to crown our Mrs. Elite New York. None other than, who's the name? What's the name, guys? Swarnika! Woo! Woohoo!
Please excuse me, I don't mean to be rude, but tonight I'm loving you.
Angelina, can you have you on stage, please? She's our Mrs. International New York 2024 winner, and I'm so proud of her. Yes, please. Congratulations. Oh my God, because first. All right, so first runner-up for Mrs. Elite New Jersey 2025 goes to Chavi Kaushik. And to do the honors, can I have Srinidhi on stage, please? Congratulations, Chavi.
मेरी पावे जिंद कट ले ओ हो मेरी पावे जिंद कट ले आए हाय ओ मेरे प्यार बताना बोली मेरी पावे जिंद कट ले
Congratulations.
तुम्बा मेरी जान कुड़े हाय तुम्बा तुम्बा बड़ा शैतान कुड़े हाय तुम्बा मेरी जान कुड़े हाय
Beautiful. Can I have Preeti Goyal on stage to crown our Mrs. Elite New Jersey 2025 Nisha Janani?
तुम्बा मेरी जान कुड़े हाय तुम्बा
Thank you so much. Thank you, Preeti. Thank you so much. Is my any queen left for crowning? Please raise your hand so I can call you on stage. Can I have Saida Banu? She is our Mrs. New York 2025 first runner-up. And to do the honors, can I have Sindhuja on stage, please? Thank you so much. And our winner for congratulations. And the winner for Mrs. New York 2025 goes to Shilpika. And to do the honors, can I have Konjit on stage, please? Konjit. All right, so okay, can we have our second runner-up for Mrs. New Jersey 2025 goes to Sangeeta Sanal, and can I have Sachi Parekh on stage to do the honors with Suruchi Kale?
Taking us to a higher place. Taking us to a higher place. We don't need permission. We're on a love mission. Taking us to a higher place.
All right, so can we have our first runner-up? Can you step forward, guys? I would like to have Pallavi Banerjee and Rashmi Devangan step forward. Guys, what do you say? Who should be the winner for Mrs. Bharat New Jersey 2025? So to do the honors, can I have Pallavi Javale along with Archana? And Rohini, you can also join them. Okay, so the first runner-up goes to Rashmi Devangan. Archana, can you put the crown, please? All right, so guys, the last rounding of the day. Thank you so much for your patience. Of Mrs. New Jersey 2025 goes to Pallavi Banerjee, and I would like Divya Shrivastava to pass a crown along with Tulip Joshi. Thank you so much. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Can I have
Scene one. Everybody get in your position. So let's
can I have Rashmi and Sangeeta please join Pallavi? All of you can walk together. All three of you guys, please walk together. Thank you. Go forward. Thank you. All right. So our worldwide winner, I would like to announce for our Miss Teen and Mrs. category. All right, so Rashmi Devangan is our winner of worldwide for Mrs. category. Please, Rashmi, step forward, and Divya, both our Divya can do the crowning for her. Congratulations, she is our worldwide winner. Jesse, if you're here, please, I would want you on stage, and Dishita also.
न जाने मेरे दिल को क्या हो गया अभी तो यही था अभी खो गया
Jesse, are you here? Jesse?
मेरे दिल को क्या हो गया अभी तो यही
Divya, please join us on stage, please. Jesse, if you're here, we can do the crowning. Jesse is here. Jesse is not here. So winner for worldwide category in Miss category is Jessie. I think so she left. And for teen, we have Dishita. So I don't think these contestants are here. So thank you everyone. Can I have, okay. And I would like our Miss Bharat, New Jersey 2024, Snehal, to say a few words before we end our today's show.
Thank you. Today I stand here filled with gratitude, love, and deep appreciation for three incredibly special people who have not only guided me, but shaped me the person I am becoming. Rashmi Bedi, Janak Bedi, and Surya Bedi. Rashmi ma'am, Janak sir, Surya, you are more than mentors to me. You are my family. From the beginning, you saw something in me, believed in me, and helped me find the courage to believe in myself. You have always lifted me higher even when I doubted my own wings. You've shown me what it means to lead with grace, strength, and authenticity. Rashmi ma'am, your unwavering positivity, your passion, and your commitment to empowering others have inspired me in more ways than I can express. You've taught me that true beauty comes from within, from kindness, from confidence, from compassion. You've opened doors for me, pushed me beyond my comfort zone, and taught me how to walk into every room with purpose. Janak sir, your wisdom and quiet strength have been a steady light. Thank you for your encouragement and belief in my potential. You've been there with patience, guidance, and a calming presence that always reminds me to stay grounded and focused. And Surya, your drive, your energy, and your passion is truly inspiring. You've shown me how to rise, how to hustle with passion, and how to lift others while climbing. Watching you thrive gives me more motivation to never settle and to dream bigger every single day. Because of you all, I have grown not just in my achievements, but as a person. You've helped me shape my confidence, nurtured my dreams, and stood by me in every season. Thank you for being my mentors, my cheerleaders, and most importantly, a family. I will forever carry your love and lessons with me. This is only the beginning, and I promise to keep making you proud. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Snehal. I love you, the way you have worn your crown in your heart, darling. Congratulations. So it's a final picture for today. Come, Surya. Angelina, can I have you on stage? Angelina, can I have you on stage? I'm very proud of her. She is being always supporting us. Angelina, can I have you? Miss International New York winner 2024. She is always there, always supporting us. She came here from New York to train my girls. And she is so much dedicated in New York Fashion Week. She is like my right hand now, always supporting me. Ankita, thank you so much. All my team members, congratulations. I would like to say a few words, dear.
I'm so grateful. A year ago, I was standing on this stage and participating with my talent and all divisions, and I was so thrilled to win Miss International a year ago, and my life has changed. Thanks to introduce to Rashmi and to the Rashmi family, who I love so much. It gave me so many opportunities to help and share my success with others, and I'm so happy to all of you girls that you improved yourself on the stage. You were shining, and I'm so happy to see your happy smiling shine and get that confidence and show your talents and go out of your uncomfortable zone and turn your weakness to the strength and being beautiful. So proud of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sunita. I would like to have you on stage. Dr. Parinda Parekh, I think so she left. Dr. Sunita, thank you so much. And congratulations to all my winners. Thank you so much for your support, guys. And of course, special thanks to our sponsors, our team, those who are supporting us, our makeup artist, our choreographer. Without all of your support, this show would not have been possible. And of course, Nolakka, thank you so much for sponsoring. Thank you, Millennium. You are the best. We will be there. Please join us on stage. And I think so, can we have Mohana on stage along with Ankita? Thank you, Divya, for supporting Emma. Thank you so much. And teamwork, make dream work, guys. Thank you so much. And I will be catching up with you next year again in 2026. Same venue, of course. Royal Albert Palace is very close to our heart. Thank you. Thank you to my queens who are coming specially from Connecticut. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, Srinidhi. Thank you, Preeti Amara. Thank you, Preeti Goyal, right? Now her Preeti. And thank you so much. She is being supportive so much. And without our sponsors, this show would not have been possible. Of course, you means a lot. Thank you. I would like you to say a few words, please, before we end the show.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. All beautiful winners, thank you for, being, it's my honor to be here. And, My Dream TV is the prestigious platform that for all of us this is not only beauty competition, this is something that you break the barriers, it motivates, show your talents and move on. And Rasmi ji, Janak ji and Surya, all of they are really great motivator and supporter. Thank you for being here.
Thank you, and thank you, Divya. Keep on doing good work. We are so proud of you. Thanks to our state director.
Thank you so much, Ji, for this wonderful event. And I would like to thank you all for coming here to support us for making this event even more successful and lighter. And thank you so much.
All right, so can we have some dance and happy moment with our pageant queens? And of course, Tulip Joshi, she's looking stunning. Surya Bedi, can you bring Tulip Joshi on stage? And DJ, last 5 minutes are our celebration. Come on, girls, let's have some fun. Woohoo! Come on. Come on, Pallavi. Come on, sweetie. Woohoo! Akash. Come on, Benita. Come on, Rohini. Come on, Jana, join us.
गाड़ी पे जो हाथ फेरे सारी दुनिया हिले
Woohoo!
तू कांधे को उठा के चले बड़े न कोई बल्ले आसमां से 2 गुना ऊंचा तेरा कद है इतनी
Everybody wants that special moment. Come on, come on. One move. Keep on going. Keep on going. Woohoo! Come on. Woohoo!
ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚਿਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਪੱਲੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਨੀਵੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਚਿਰ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ
Woohoo!
ਮੁਖੜਾ ਲੁਕਾ ਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ
ਅੱਜ ਕਰੀ ਨਾ ਕਿਸੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ
ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੋਈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੁਣੇ ਹੋਈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਮੁੰਡਿਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਬਚ ਕੇ ਰਹੀ
ਓਏ ਵੂਹੂ Tulip Joshi, you cannot go just like that. Woohoo! Come on, come on. Toba, toba. Husan tera toba, 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 toba. Woohoo!
ਉਹ ਲੈ ਲਿਆ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੇ ਦਿਲ ਸਾਡਾ ਹਾਲੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਸਾਫ ਜਿਹਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਇਰਾਦਾ ਹੁੱਤ ਬਾੜੀ ਲੰਬੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖੀ ਹੈ ਮੁਟਿਆਰ ਨੇ ਹੈ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਪਰਾਂਦਾ ਫਿਕਰ ਤੋਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ